first practiced during the invasion of England.
Using the fireballs.
The soldiers before and after each battle. Today, we still observe this military tradition to signify the common trust between the troops and their commander. Major General Arnold A. Mansita, Armed Forces of the Philippines, is the commander, Air Education Training and Doctrine Command, Philippine Air Force. He was born on 24 December 1963 in Camarines Sur, and is a proud member of PMA Sandiwa Class of 1985. He is a recipient of various awards such as Distinguished Service Star and Gold Cross Medal. He is married to the former Miss Eva, and they are blessed with 3 daughters, Hazel, Pauline, and Christine.
So we have a full grandstand.
Major General Benjie Francisco C. Aquino, Armed Forces of the Philippines. He's a former commander, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Education, Training, and Doctrines Command. He was born on 08 March 1963 in Rizal, and is a proud member of PMA Maharlika Class of 1984. He is a recipient of various awards such as the Distinguished Service Star and the Bronze Cross Medal. The former Miss Maria Magnolia Estacio, and they are blessed with a daughter, Francesca. Rear Admiral Otelo Calimanes, Philippine Coast Guard, is the commander of the Internal Affairs Service. He was born on 29 March 1963 in Cebu. He is a proud member of PMA Maharlika Class of 1984. He is also a recipient of various awards such as the Coast Guard Legion of Honor, Distinguished Service Medal, and he is married to the former Miss Mariana Castaños, and they are blessed with a daughter, Marie Athena. Ladies and gentlemen, Major General Arnold Mansita, Major General Benjie Francisco Aquino, Rear Admiral Otelo Ibanez, Police Chief Superintendent Benny Hulipas, Brigadier General John Dominic Pulido, and Brigadier General Agade Adriatico are trooping the line as our guests of honor. They are accompanied by the Assistant Superintendent of the Philippine Military Academy, Brigadier General Gastón Florente D.C. Rayos, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the Brigade Commander, First Captain Jezriel A. Kalimat, CCAFP.
Police Chief Superintendent Benjamin E. Hulipas, Philippine National Police, is the Deputy Director, Directorate for Integrated Police Operations, Northern Luzon. He was born on 15 April 1963 in Aurora, and is a proud member of PMA Sandiwa Class of 1985. He received various awards such as Medalya ng Katangi-Tangi Gawa. He is married to the former Miss Elizabeth Villafranca, and they are blessed with 2 children. Brigadier General John Dominic Pulido, Armed Forces of the Philippines, is the commander, General Headquarters and Headquarters Service Command. He was born on 07 April 1963 in Manila, and is a proud member of PMA Sandiwa Class of 1985. He received various awards such as Distinguished Service Star. He is married to the former Miss Debbie Nagulong, and they are blessed with 3 children. Brigadier General Aganis Adriatico is the commander, Army Artillery Regiment, Philippine Army. He is married to the former Miss Grace Corachea, and they are blessed with 2 daughters, Anna and Ariel. Ladies and gentlemen, our guests of honor, Major General Arnold A. Mansita, Major General Benjie Francisco C. Aquino, Rear Admiral Otelo L. Ibanez, Police Chief Superintendent Benjamin E. Hulipas, Brigadier General John Dominic P. Pulido, and Brigadier General Aganis C. Adriatico.
AM radio.
Okay, so let me go out. So this is inside the speakers. When you hear the announcers, these are the cadets.
Chad Baracua, Chad Magapo, and Joseph Zamora. Further fluids are Academy Bank, under the command of Petty Officer Third Class Benjie Filipino. Ralph Magallanes from Caraco State and Bayan staff. Infantry Bago, Manuel Gonzalez, Harry Pinana, James Baraco, and Jordan Pupuan. Alpha Company Commander, Jesse Guillermo from Caligo staff. Jeanette Fernandez, Raymar Kalima, and Henry Piquez. First Platoon Leader, Ralph Villar from Manila. Second Platoon Leader, Don Granada from Bohol. With the company First Sergeant, Mercadalo from Dumaguete. Bravo Company Commander, Kenneth Tacuba from Zamboanga with his staff. Ivy Duran, Kenneth Kayana, Access and Paul. First Platoon Leader, Kyle Santos from Cavite. Second Platoon Leader, Cherry Joel from Baguio City, with company First Sergeant, Irvin Lee from Baguio City. Second Battalion Commander, Stacey K. Villanueva from Dagolan River staff. Miss Chan Chong, Rodolfo Balastas, Alan Mendoza, Hans Noah, and Tony Villanueva. Charlie Company Commander, Harold Nagolan from Cagayan with his staff. Victor Quito, Maria Abuan, and Lance Ramos. First Platoon Leader, Jeffrey Valdez from Davao City. With the company First Sergeant, Johnny Santos from Mountain Province. Delta Company Commander, Blumer Calina from Lingette with his staff. Princess Dominguez, Luis Bago, and Mark Casina. First Platoon Leader, Florida Ligaro from Sarangani Province. Second Platoon Leader, Wendy Nakal from Pasay City. The company First Sergeant, Luis Nakal.
As the chorus passes in front of you, we request everyone to rise and render the appropriate courtesy. You may sit down after the chorus stop bows. Ladies and gentlemen, callers, the lights holder officer and first class is the bearer from Buluan City. First Battalion Commander, Marman Casilla from San Isidro staff. Gabriel Cantor ay San Jose, Diego Maman, San Diego, and Jordan Berkeley. Echo Company Commander, Jacob Noy, from Surigao del Sur staff. Alan Mendoza, Shane Vicente, and Gabriel Lowe. First Platoon Leader, Marcos Ramirez from Dumaguete City. Second Platoon Leader, Napoleon Lieutenant from Tego Vizcaya. With the company First Sergeant, Jason Vista from Mayugan City, Quezon del Sur. Also Company Commander, Percival Cana from Cagayan de Rizal, Inosque Cycle, Seren Cabardo, and Edward Garcia. First Platoon Leader, Edwin Barano from La Union. Second Platoon Leader, Virgil Villanueva from Parley Mountain Province, with the company First Sergeant, Company Workmate from Cabanatuan City. Fourth Battalion Commander, Kim Sapuay from Cabanatuan City. Jubilee Casa, Isangabal, Quezon Palago, and Circocraft Jen Paglia. Golf Company Commander, Rafael Ocro, Bulacan, with his staff. John Malaya, Analiza Cagatan, and Jimena Colwingon. First Platoon Leader, Erickson Capinas from Cabanatuan City. Second Platoon Leader, Albert Nansel from Pangasinan, with the company First Sergeant, Rene Amos from Kalinga. Home Company Commander, Mark Ganesha from Quezon City, with his staff. Gilbert Nation from Aklan, Gabriel from Univeres Bataan. And President Tisa from San Cotabato. First Platoon Leader, Rosa Cordova from Tacloban City. Second Platoon Leader, Mark Lara from Cotabato, with the company First Sergeant, Dexter Mama from Baguio City. Members of the Speakers Board, Lisa Gigi Caratao, Pia Malerta, Arun Villar, and Arnel Eliar.
Standing, Taylor Journey. And the cousin. Yeah, Medal of Honor awardee.
Thank you.
Maybe we will